Testosterone plays a vital role in many aspects of men's health, from energy levels and mood to muscle mass and libido. It's crucial to understand the everyday factors that can negatively impact your testosterone levels and make adjustments to protect your health. In this video, we will dive deeper into 10 common factors that can lower testosterone and what you can do about them. Number 8 could be a game changer for many, so watch the video till the end. Number 1. Lack of sleep. Not getting enough sleep is a major contributor to lower testosterone levels. Testosterone production is closely tied to your sleep cycle, particularly deep REM sleep, where most hormone production occurs. Studies show that men who get fewer than 5 hours of sleep per night may see testosterone levels drop by as much as 15%. Lack of quality sleep doesn't just affect your testosterone, it can lead to a range of issues including fatigue, difficulty concentrating, irritability, and low libido. Men over 40 are particularly at risk because natural testosterone levels already begin to decline with age. Compounded by poor sleep, this decline can happen even faster. Worse still, the relationship between sleep and testosterone is a two-way street. Lower testosterone levels can make it harder to sleep, contributing to a vicious cycle of hormonal imbalance. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene, such as sticking to a regular bedtime, keeping your bedroom dark and quiet, and avoiding screens before bed can help break this cycle and support healthy testosterone production. Number 2. Poor diet. The nutrients you consume play a huge role in hormone regulation. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and alcohol can disrupt testosterone production. Your body needs a variety of vitamins and minerals like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D to produce testosterone. Without these essential nutrients, testosterone levels can plummet. Eating a balanced diet that includes whole foods like lean proteins, vegetables, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates is key. Some foods are particularly beneficial for testosterone production. Oysters. Known for their high zinc content, oysters help the body produce testosterone and promote overall reproductive health. Severe zinc deficiency can lead to hypogonadism, a condition where the body doesn't produce enough testosterone. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are high in magnesium, which has been shown to increase testosterone levels, especially in men who are deficient. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, mackerel, and sardines support heart health and can aid in testosterone production. Low-fat diets have been linked to low testosterone, so healthy fats are an important part of any testosterone-boosting diet. Number 3. Excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can wreak havoc on testosterone levels. Alcohol disrupts the balance of hormones by affecting the glands responsible for testosterone production. Chronic drinking is particularly harmful as it damages the cells in the testes that produce testosterone and impairs liver function, which is critical for hormone metabolism. Heavy drinkers are more likely to experience erectile dysfunction, low libido, and reduced testosterone levels. Excessive alcohol consumption is typically defined as more than 15 drinks per week for men. On the flip side, some research suggests that light to moderate alcohol consumption may actually boost testosterone levels temporarily. However, for long-term health, moderation is key, as heavy drinking causes far more harm than good. Number 4. Excess weight. Carrying extra weight, particularly around the midsection, is one of the biggest risk factors for low testosterone. Abdominal fat contains an enzyme called aromatase, which converts testosterone into estrogen, further reducing testosterone levels. This is why obese men often have lower testosterone levels than men at a healthy weight. Insulin resistance, often associated with obesity, also plays a role in this hormonal imbalance. A study involving over 1,600 men found that even moderate weight gain significantly reduced testosterone levels. Another study showed that waist circumference was an even stronger predictor of low testosterone than BMI. Men with larger waists had a 75% higher chance of having low testosterone. Number 5. Lack of physical exercise. Physical inactivity is strongly linked to lower testosterone levels. Men who don't engage in regular exercise may experience a dip in testosterone, while those who incorporate strength and resistance training into their routine can actually boost their testosterone production. Weightlifting and high-intensity interval training are especially beneficial for increasing testosterone. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses target large muscle groups, which stimulate greater testosterone production post-workout. Even short bursts of physical activity can result in temporary spikes in testosterone, lasting anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour after exercise. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Number 6. Vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D plays a critical role in testosterone regulation, and low levels of this essential nutrient can lead to a decline in testosterone. Studies have shown that men with sufficient vitamin D levels have significantly higher testosterone levels compared to those with a deficiency. Getting enough sunlight is one of the best ways to boost vitamin D naturally, but supplements may be necessary if you live in a place with limited sun exposure or spend most of your time indoors. Research suggests that vitamin D supplementation can increase testosterone levels, particularly in men who are deficient. Number 7. Excessive caffeine intake. Caffeine, particularly when consumed in large amounts, can increase cortisol levels in the body. Since cortisol is a stress hormone that counteracts testosterone, too much caffeine can ultimately lead to lower testosterone levels. While some studies suggest that moderate caffeine intake may give testosterone a slight boost, especially in athletes, going overboard can do more harm than good. A 2018 study found that high doses of caffeine before exercise elevated testosterone, but also significantly raised cortisol levels, which could negate the testosterone benefits. Stick to moderate amounts of caffeine, and if you're relying heavily on energy drinks or coffee, it might be worth cutting back. Number 8. Lack of sexual activity. A prolonged period of sexual inactivity can lead to a temporary dip in testosterone levels. Testosterone is closely linked to sexual desire and performance, and a reduction in testosterone can affect both libido and erectile function. Conversely, regular sexual activity helps maintain higher levels of testosterone. Some research suggests that the act of sexual activity itself can lead to short-term spikes in testosterone. While there's no direct link between how often a man has sex and his baseline testosterone levels, sexual activity is one factor that contributes to overall hormonal balance. Number 9. High sugar consumption. Eating a diet high in added sugars has been linked to lower testosterone levels. Sugar spikes insulin levels, which can lead to insulin resistance, a condition that reduces testosterone production. Over time, high sugar consumption can result in weight gain, further compounding the issue. Studies have shown that consuming sugary foods and drinks can cause testosterone levels to drop almost immediately. One study found that young, healthy men who consumed a sugary beverage experienced a significant decline in both total and free testosterone shortly afterward. Cutting back on sugar, especially processed sweets and sugary beverages, can help keep testosterone levels stable. Number 10. Sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle, particularly spending long hours sitting, has been associated with lower testosterone levels and poorer sperm quality. A study involving over 1,200 men found that those who spent more time sitting, especially watching television, had lower testosterone and poorer semen quality compared to their more active counterparts. Men who spend a lot of time sitting should aim to break up their day with regular movement. Even short walks or standing breaks can help reduce the negative effects of a sedentary lifestyle and support healthier testosterone levels. Thank you for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips and insights on health and fitness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.